To deposit fiat on MEXC, start by accessing the App Store on your device. Open the App Store and navigate to the search bar, which can be found at the bottom of the screen alongside options for today. Games, apps, arcade, and more. Type in MEXC in the search bar and select the MEXC Buy and Sell Bitcoin option that appears as one of the first results. Download and install the app. Then exit the App Store and locate the newly installed MEXC app on your device. Upon opening the MEXC app, you will see various options, including home, markets, trade, futures, and wallets, at the bottom of the screen, as well as your profile icon at the top left. Click on your profile icon and log in to your MEXC account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallets tab, where you will find the Deposit button. Depositing fiat on MEXC can be a bit complicated, but one way to do it is by buying cryptocurrency through the app. To do this, go to the Payment section, where you may need to verify your account. Alternatively, you can also initiate the deposit process from your feed. After completing these steps, you should be able to deposit fiat on MEXC. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, you may want to explore the app's features in more detail.